पहले आगे कोई फायदा नहीं ले
Yes. Yes, can we start now? Everybody has come.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So let us revise earlier class. Equations in one variable. So can anyone tell me about the definition of equations in one variable? Yes, Ayushman, tell.
Sir, a statement of equality in one variable is called an equation in that variable.
Yes, Aryan, explain the definition.
Sir, a statement
Yes.
of equality is that in one variable.
You are repeating the definition only. I have asked you to explain the statement.
Yes, sir. Sir,
You can use a one example. Yes, I am giving you one example. You with the help of that example, you explain. X minus 5 is equal to 3. Say now. Yes, say. Okay. In a simple equation, this is a simple equation. Okay. See the box part. This is a simple equation. This is a simple equation. This is a simple equation. Okay. Simple equation should have one equal to sign. Okay. And one variable. So then only it can be said as simple equation in variable x. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
Last class I have also discussed about powers of variable. I have also
Yes, sir.
discussed about powers of variable. For
Yes,
example, yes, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So can anyone tell me what is the highest power of this equation? What is the highest power of
Sir.
the equation? Yes.
Sir, x3.
Yes.
So x cube.
Ayushman, do you agree with
Yes,
this?
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Aryan, do you agree with this?
yes, sir.
Okay. The highest power should be what? 3. Okay.
3.
So in the simple equation, so what is the highest power of this equation? For this example, what is the highest power of this equation?
Sir, x. Sir, x.
X.
X. What is
X.
the highest power of this equation?
Sir, 1.
Yes.
So
Ayushman, do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Ayushman?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Aryan,
sir.
do you agree with this? Aryan,
Yes,
do you
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So you have understood that what is the degree highest power or degree of an equation. Okay. So by using this concept, we will understand linear equation. What is a linear equation? Okay. So in a linear equation, you have said that the highest power is 1. Highest power is 1. What?
Highest power is
Power is
1.
Highest power is 1. Number one criteria is fulfilled. Okay. Highest power is 1. Number 1 criteria is fulfilled. What is the number 2 criteria? There should be one variable. Yes, there is one variable x. Number 2 criteria
Yes,
is
sir.
also fulfilled. One variable. Okay, everyone, write along with me. I will also provide you notes later on, but for the meantime, you write along with me some shortcut points. There is one variable, that is x. Agree with me, everyone? There is one variable
Yes,
x.
sir.
Yes.
Yes,
What is
sir.
the name of that variable?
X.
X. Yes. Number 2 criteria
yes,
is also fulfilled. Okay. Now, number 3 criteria is what? There should be a equal to sign. Yes, there is also equal to sign. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Equal to sign present. All of you write along with me. For the meantime, I will provide you the notes later on. Okay. So number 3 criteria is fulfilled. When all these criteria fulfills for an equation, for a simple equation, then that equation is known as what? Linear equation. Then that equation is known as what? Linear.
Linear equation.
Linear equation.
Yes.
Sir.
Everyone understood all the 3 criteria.
Yes, sir.
What
Yes,
is the
sir.
highest power of an equation? Can you find out?
Sir, number
Yes,
2
sir.
is 1.
Number 2, one variable. Number 2, one variable. That is x. Number 2, one variable x. Okay.
And number 3 is present.
Equal to present means equal to
Equal
sign
to
is
present.
there, no? Equal to sign is
Yes,
present.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So when all the three criteria fulfills, then all the three criteria
it is
fulfills, then what we can say that it is a linear equation.
linear equation.
Okay, very good.
Linear equation.
So everyone will be able to now define what is a linear equation. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So till this much only there was theory. Now we will do all numerical, means problems. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
everyone will take a pen in their hand along with a copy and do along with me all those example problems. After solving all
Yes,
the
sir.
examples, you will be given homeworks. You will solve the rest homework questions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I will also write that one that I have written earlier.
Yes, yes, right. It will be a revision for you. Yes, Aditya Das
Okay,
is
sir.
doing tuitions with me. If you all are interested to do tuitions offline classes, you can come at my home and we will understand all the concepts very nicely. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
sir, I have not completed. Sir, today will complete exercise 13B.
Yes, he has completed 13B and 13C. Everyone, listen. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let us go to the examples. Can I clear the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So with the first example, we will start the today's exercise. So first example is x minus 6 is equal to 2. Okay. Just listen to me line by line and try to understand what I am saying. Okay. When I explain some problems, all of you will mute your mic. Okay. And only listen to
Yes.
me. Okay. So that there is no disturbance. Okay. Yes. See. This is a simple equation and also a linear equation. Okay. Okay. And this simple equation consists of two parts. What are they? Right hand side RHS and left hand side LHS. Okay. Yes. Now we are asked to find out the value of x. We are asked to find out the value of x. How we will find out? Yes. For this, we will learn some rules. Okay. So please listen to me carefully. See, when minus sign goes to the left hand side from right hand side, it changes to plus sign. Okay. So we will write
Yes, sir.
x equals to 2 plus 6. So what answer do we get? Equals to 8. So the value of x is equals to 8. So the value of x is equals to 8. Answer. So we have solved our first problem and we have got our answer as x equals to 8. All of you unmute your mic and say if there is any doubt.
Sir.
So, no doubt.
Understood everyone clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move to the next example.
Sir.
Now everyone copied this example?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, but
Let
I
us
can't.
move. Yes, yes, what happened? Yes, Aryan, what happened?
Sir, I have not understood actually.
Okay, I will explain you. Wait. See, except Aryan, all of you mute your mic. Okay, Aryan, see,
Yes, sir.
this is a simple equation. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And in this simple equation, how many variables are there?
Sir, 2.
How two? Yeah, I see only one variable. How can you see two variables? There is only one variable, that is x. Okay. Please be clear with the number of variables. There is only one variable, that is x. Okay. Yes, Aryan?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. And now tell me, secondly, equal to sign is present in this equation?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Last but not the least, can you tell me what is the highest power of this equation?
Sir, 1.
1. Okay. So according to linear equation definition, all the three criteria are fulfilled for this equation?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we can say that this is also a linear equation. Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now we have asked, the question has asked that to find the value of x. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will find the value of x. So now in this equation there is two parts. What are they? Right hand side and left hand side. Aryan, how many parts
Yes,
are
sir.
there? Right hand side and left hand side.
Left hand side.
Okay. Okay. To find the value of x, we have to do some changes. Okay. What changes
Yes,
we
sir.
have to do? We have to keep the x on the right hand side and we have to shift all the constants to the left hand side. Is it clear to you?
Left hand side. Yes,
Is
sir.
it? Yes. So we see that one -6 is there on the right hand side. Okay. We have to
Yes,
shift
sir.
that
Yes.
-6 to the left hand side. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But there is one rule that when we shift minus sign to the left hand side from the right hand side, it becomes what? Plus sign. What it
Plus
becomes?
sign.
Okay,
Plus sign.
plus sign. So when we shifted the -6 to the left hand side, what it has become? +6.
Plus 6.
So finally, what answer do we get? 2 plus 6 is equals to 8.
Equals
Finally,
to
what?
8. Yes, sir.
8. Now understood, Aryan?
8. Yes, sir.
Very clearly?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Can we move to another example?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now everyone unmute your mic.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Our next question is example number 3. X by 4 is equal to 5. Okay. Now I will give some special importance to Aditya because he knows the answer. Now he will try to explain it to you. Okay, Aditya,
Yes, sir.
now please tell me about the solution for this problem. How will you find the value of x? All of you listen to him, okay, very carefully.
Sir.
Yes,
Sir, at the first,
yes,
sir, from x by 4,
yes.
we will take 4 to the left hand side.
No, right hand side.
Oh, so right hand side.
Yes, then
Then we will write x equal to.
yes,
Then we will write x equal to
yes,
when there is x by 4
yes,
in the it is in divide from na.
yes,
When the from divide 4, the 4 when it will go to the right hand side,
yes,
the divide will transfer into multiply.
yes. Okay. Then what answer we will get finally?
Sir, x is equal to 20.
Yes. Everyone unmute your mic and tell any doubt is there in this problem.
No, sir.
Everyone
Yes.
understood what Aditya said?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What he has said, first of all, we will verify is the given equation a linear equation or not. Okay. So in the given equation, how many variables are there? Ayushman tell.
So one variation. Of
Yes,
variable.
one variable. Equal to sign is there or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, two criteria are fulfilled. Now tell me what is the
Yes,
highest
sir.
power of this equation?
So one.
Yes, all the three criteria are fulfilled.
Yes, sir.
So what can we say? It is a linear equation or not?
Linear equation. Yes, sir.
Yes. Now what question it has been asked to find the value of x? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. But what we see here, yes, again we will tell there are two sides, right, left hand side and right hand side. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, but here no plus minus is there, but divide and multiply sign are there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In the left hand side, one x by 4 is there. Means what? 1
Yes,
x
sir.
into x means we can write like this: x into 1 by 4. What we can write? X into 1 by 4. We can write yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So when it is in the left hand side, we have to take it in the right hand side because we have to find the value of x. To find the value of x, we have to keep the x on the left hand side and take all the constants to the right hand side. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So for finding the value of x, we will take 1 by 4 to the right hand side. So there is a rule that when we take a divide sign to the right hand side, it changes to what? Multiply sign. It changes to what, Ayushman?
Multiplication.
Yes. So it will become what? 5 into 4. What it will become?
5 into 4.
So answer will become what? Finally, what answer we will get?
20.
Yes. So is this example clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Who has tell no? Say name.
Nisha.
Okay. What you have not understood? Say.
Sir, I have not understood only what is x, from where 5 is came from, where 4 is multiplied. So I am not understanding anything.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Ayushman,
Sir,
I give
only
you the,
today is
Yes,
happening
sir.
like this.
okay. Ayushman, I give you the responsibility to speak this about this problem. So
Yes, sir.
you will now start the solution of this problem.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Start.
Yes, sir. Sir, first, there's a question. X by 4 is equal to 5.
Yes.
First, we have to take the x, and we have to first we have to check it is a linear equation or not.
Yes.
And
So
it is,
excuse me, what is linear equation or whatever maybe? What are these things?
Okay, okay, okay. Maimon, please listen to him. You will understand what is a linear equation. Okay, let him speak. Okay, Maimon, please be patient
Yes.
and please attentively listen to Ayushman. He will explain each and every point to you. Okay, okay. Ayushman, start.
yes, 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 sir. Then we have to take the x into left hand side
No,
and
no.
and
First,
multiply.
no, no. Yes. First, verify it is a linear equation or not.
Yes, sir. First we have to check it is a linear equation. First we have to check there is a there should be a variable,
There
and
should be only one
there
variable.
should one variable, and there should be the power of the variable,
Yes.
and there should be a equal sign.
Yes.
And if this all the three options are there, then it is a linear equation.
Yes, one point you have done mistake. You should say the highest power of the variable should be 1. Okay.
Yes,
The
sir.
highest power of the variable should be what? 1. Then only
1.
it will become linear equation. What it will become? Linear equation.
Linear equation.
Yes. Maimon understood what is a linear equation? Yes. Maimon, I think, left the meeting. Yes, Maimon?
No, he's there.
Sir, she is there.
Yes, say something, Maimon. Not responding only.
Sorry, he has not understand or what? She is not understanding what?
Aryan, have you understood the example?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Maimon, understood or not? Please reply. We have no time. Okay, leave it, leave her. If she has problems, she will again communicate to me. Okay. Can I, sir, can't hear anything. She has written, she is not able to hear anything. Okay. Maimon, I will send you the video. Why all problems are happening with Maimon only? Or everyone able to see my video and screen?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Sir, very
Maimon
nicely.
is getting a problem. Maybe network problem is there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Near our home, network tower is not repairing today.
Okay, okay.
Yes, means really. I'm scheduling
Okay,
also.
can I clear the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Why only my only I can't see sir's screen?
3x. We are going to discuss today's last example, that is 3x minus 2 is equal to 10. Everyone note down the question. Everyone note down the question. Solve x or find the value of x. Find the value of x. find the
Value of x.
value of x. So Ayushman, now
Yes,
I
sir.
will ask you to verify is the given equation a linear equation or not.
So it is not a linear equation, because
sir,
sir,
please
there are
share
2 points. There
question.
is a equal sign and there is one variable.
No,
But sir,
no. Is the given equation linear equation or not?
no, sir.
Okay, wait. Aryan, tell this the given equation a linear equation or not?
Sir, what?
The question which I have written on the screen, is the given equation a linear equation or not?
Sir, your sound is not coming. Hello.
Hello, listening my sound? Hello,
Hello.
hello. Aryan, listening my sound?
Sir, your sound is not coming clearly.
What to do? Yes. Hello, Aryan, listening to my sound?
Hello.
Hello, Aryan, listening to my sound?
No, sir.
And can you hear my voice?
This sound is not coming nicely. Not your also.
Aryan,
Oh,
Aryan, listening to my sound? Hello,
Hello.
Aryan, listening to my sound?
Oh, sir, it is not coming.
Okay, okay. No problem. I will ask to somebody else. Yes, Babli. Yes, please on your video. I am not able to see your face. Hey, ask somebody to on her video.
this video is off.
Babli here.
Anik,
Anik Devnath
Saista, and Ujjal, on your videos, please.
Yes, Aditya, can you tell me this equation is a linear equation or not?
Sir, this equation is not a linear equation.
All of you are very, very wrong. This is a linear equation. How it is a linear equation? Please listen to me. See, equal to sign is there.
Yes, sir.
One variable
sir.
is there. One variable is there.
Yes, sir.
And the power
Yes,
of the
sir.
variable is what? 1.
Ooh.
The highest power is, for this equation, the highest power of the variable is what?
1.
So, is it a linear equation or not?
Yes, sir.
So how can you miss that point? How can you make a very big mistake by not identifying the equation as a linear equation? I have explained to you so many times. Very bad, very bad. Okay, from next time don't make such mistakes. Okay,
Yes, sir.
try to get correct. These are very easy questions. You can score very good marks by understanding this. You need to practice also. If you understand the examples, if you do the problems once for exam purpose, you will be very, very sure and confident to answer. Okay, yes,
Yes, sir.
everyone. Yes, please look at my solution now. Okay, so the question is find the value of x. Okay, so how we will start? We will start like this. Okay, we will put a imply sign. What is this? This is a imply sign first. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
what is our rule? That to find the value of x, we have to keep the x in the left hand side and put all the constants where on the right hand side. Okay, so look the steps one by one. So first is 3x, okay, equals to 10 plus 2. Is it this step is clear to everyone? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. So so after evaluating these two, what we will get? 3x is equal to 12. Okay. Okay. This step is
12.
clear. This step is clear to everyone. Number 3 step.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in left hand side, 3 is in multiply form. Yes or no? 3 is what?
Yes, sir.
3 into x. So when it will go from right hand side to the left hand side, so it will become what? Divide. Okay. 3x is equal
Yes,
to
sir.
12 by 3. The reverse, okay, if there is a divide, it will become multiply, and if there is a multiply, it will become divide. Is the point clear to everyone?
So I have not understood the third point.
Yes, see
Yes, sir, that one also.
in earlier example, what you have seen, x by 4 is equal to 3. There,
Yes, sir.
Sir.
yes, this can be written as what? X 1 by 4 into x. We can write this as in this way. Can we write it or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Yes.
Yes,
when,
sir.
when 1 by 4, simply learn that when 1 by 4, this is a multiply sign. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
when 1 by 4 is transported to the left hand side, it becomes what? Multiply. Okay. X equals to
Yes.
3 into 4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, when we can write this 3x as 3 into x. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So when 3 is transported to the left hand side, it is as it is in the multiply form. What it will become? It will become divide. Okay.
Divide.
See,
Yes, sir.
it will go down. Okay. Understood,
Yes, sir.
everyone? Aryan
Yes,
understood?
sir.
Aryan understood?
Yes, sir.
Rajdeep
Yes, sir.
understood? Anik Devnath understood? Anik Devnath are not answering. What happened to them? Ujjal Chetri. These three, I have a doubt that they are understanding or not. Please ask to them. Okay, after the class, please ask to them. These three students,
Yes, sir.
Anik Devnath, Ujjal Chetri, and Babli Khair. Okay, these three
Yes, sir.
students, I have a doubt that they are not understanding because their videos are also not on and their mic are also mute and they are not answering a single word. Okay, okay, let's come to the point. Okay, see, have you understood that the three will become divide. It will go down. Okay, it will take the form of division. Okay, when it is
Yes, sir.
transported to the left hand side from the right hand side, what form will it take? It will take a divide form, division form. Okay,
Divide form.
so
Yes, sir.
tell the answer finally. 3 4s are 12. Cancel it. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So what we will get? X is equal to 4. Understood? X is equal to 4. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone is clear. Everyone is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we have today discussed about equation in one variable. We have also learned about the definition of linear equation. We have also learned how to identify a linear equation from a given equation. We can check that whether the given equation is linear variable or not. Okay. We have also solved
Yes, sir.
three types of examples. We have seen how to find the value of x. Okay, and I guess everyone is clear
Yes,
about
sir.
all the points. Yes. So then also I will ask everyone that till now anyone has any problem can ask me.
No, sir. No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Aditya, any problem?
No, sir.
Anik Devnath, any problem?
No, sir.
Aryan, any problem?
No, sir.
Rajdeep, any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Ayushman, I think all points are clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today's we are ending the today's class, but I will give you one homework. So please solve
Yes, sir.
exercise 13A. Please solve exercise 13A.
13.
Today's homework is what?
Sir,
My first homework, please keep quiet, listen to me. Yes, my first homework is what? You have to solve exercise 13A.
13.
Okay. So I will give you the video solutions also of this example. You can verify later on. Okay. You need
Yes, sir.
need to get worried that the answers what you have found out is correct or not. The processes what you have written are correct or not. You did not worry. I will give you the answers so that you can match with them and get satisfied that is your solution and answer correct or not. Okay. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So thank you for today. We are coming to the end of today's class. So are you
Yes, sir.
liking my classes? I think this is the
Yes,
fourth.
Yes, sir.
This is the
Yes,
fourth.
sir.
Yes, fourth day. Okay. So one announcement also I will like to do that. I am doing offline classes also, but this is the paid classes. Okay, you have to pay something for that. But if you are interested to join my offline classes, so you can come to my home. and also contact Aditya Das. So he is already doing some classes with me. Okay, so you can ask me.
Yes, sir.
You can ask him that how he is liking the classes, because there I give more questions. I teach all the subjects, geography, history. Okay, I give very inside questions, but in online classes I think I will not get that much of time, and also I cannot give that much of importance because there are many I have to communicate through online medium, so there may be some disconnections. Okay,
Yes,
our
sir.
connections can get broken down. So if you are interested, you can come to my home and take the offline classes. If you are thinking that I am very good, I am not forcing you to join my classes. If you are thinking that I am very good, I am better than your teachers, I can explain very nicely, then I suggest you that you can join my classes. Okay, okay.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, from 13A we have to do 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. Yes. You have to complete entire exercise. Okay.
Yes,
1,
sir.
2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Then
sir.
we will meet tomorrow with again physics and mathematics. Okay, everyone. Bye.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, sir.